The automotive aftermarket is changing faster than ever. Electrification, aging fleets, and new mobility habits are reshaping demand patterns across every product line. Most companies can see the trends, but very few can precisely quantify when the shift will happen or how big it will be. Horus GiPA forecasting engine transforms uncertainty into measurable foresight. Built on real car park data and advanced scenario modeling, Horus provides a clear view of how demand will evolve over the next 2, 5, 10, 15, and even 20 years. The platform offers a fully interactive environment where more than 25 product categories can be explored in detail. Each forecast is dynamic, allowing users to understand which technologies and motorizations drive growth or decline, and at what pace. One of the core strengths of Horus is its scenario simulation capability. Users can compare different market futures by adjusting variables such as car sales volumes or electrification levels. The tool can run a customized scenario or apply GiPA's recommended baseline, built by analysts across 40 markets. For each product, Horus visualizes demand forecasts, replacement cycles, and technology splits. This helps decision makers anticipate the impact of car park transformation on every segment of their portfolio. The insights generated by Horus support both strategic planning and tactical decisions. Companies can quantify risks, evaluate long-term opportunities, and align production, logistics, and investments with the market realities of tomorrow. By turning complex data into an intuitive, interactive dashboard, Horus becomes an essential tool for anticipating transformation across the aftermarket. It enables teams to navigate uncertainty, validate assumptions, and take action with confidence, backed by 20-year visibility in scenario-based forecasting. Horus, forecasting the future of the aftermarket today